Welcome back everyone. Today we are planting some winter rye. How about 4 hectares to plant today? Together I'm planning to plant around 20 hectares of winter crops. But today we have 4 hectares ready for planting. Now we just need to attach the cultivator in the front and the planter in the back of the cultivator. Does not want to fit there. Why is that? I don't know. Oh, that's all I needed. This is a really good tool which came with the tractor. You don't need a bigger top link for this because it's a really heavy job. Bought this especially for this machine. We have a problem here. It's been sitting for long and it does not move over that side. So need to grease it and start moving it somehow. Here's I think. Okay. I'll deal with that and then we'll get back to you when we're hooking up this planter. And it's up. And now let's go to the field. I do need to attach the planter computer. More or less everything's ready. Now we're going to the field. Have the stone forks in front, cultivator and planter in the back. Time to plant some winter crops. I'm planning to plant around 9 to 10 hectares, probably somewhere around 9 of winter rye, and about 8.5 and 9 hectares of winter wheat, which I still need to clean. A friend of mine has some seeds he has left over, so just need to go one of my neighbor's farms to clean them. They have a good cleaner and need to clean all the weeds off and then get planting that. I also need to plow about 10 hectares. But hopefully we'll get it all done in time. Yep, hopefully. But harvest's over, third cut is more or less over. Those few fields, but I will let them to grow a little bit more. So it's just full in planting and plowing and planting and plowing. Yep. Let's go to the field and start planting. So we're at the field. Seed is full and we're locked and loaded and ready to plant. So.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over.
And now I'm gonna check how deep the seeds go. Should I adjust it or not? Seed should be somewhere. Oh, is that deep? Yes. I think they're good enough deep.
In our hometown, running free, it could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. You see, you make everything. I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place. And now I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tighter this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb. 'Cause I just wanna be here in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. You make everything.
And now we have to add some more seed. We run out, so let's add some more seed.
It's just like the saying, you don't know what you got till it's gone.
This is what we're planting, rye crop. So let's get back to work. So yeah, we're getting close to the finish line. Only this triangle left and the ends. So yeah.
But now I know in my
We are finishing right now. This is the last end of the field I'm planting right now. Then plant this and go home. And I'm happy the first field will be planted for the harvest of 2024. The tram line turn on, that's the beeping. Yeah. Such an interesting thing to plant something in the year before and let it grow. Hopefully the winter will be really nice for the crops, so we don't have such a bad year next year like the one we had this year. Oi. Plant this little line here. Have these nice glasses, crown. There's the beer opener on the side. Really nice. Funny touch from Crown. I do have pottinger glasses up there. It's nice caps and glasses, sunglasses from the dealerships. And last part. And the planter's up. A bit down. Oh. Now we just need to load in the rollers in the trailer, because you can drive them with them on the road. They're not the best machinery, but they still do the job. It's better than none rolling. So yeah, we'll see how it will sprout out. And this is how we put the rollers into the trailer. We just put the chain on them and put the chain on the stone fork. How many hectares you have planted? Almost 4 hectares. 3.93. Beautiful, nice field. We still got to plow up that green field. That's 6.5 hectares, somewhere around that. There we're gonna plant some winter wheat. So we need to get on that next, probably Saturday or Sunday. I'm gonna plow it up. We'll see. I think maybe tomorrow I will go and clean some crops, but I'll see. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Few clouds in the sky. Beautiful evening. Autumn evening, September evening. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe and continue following my farming journey. Bye. See you next time.